Actually,
Thanks. We're back. I got a compliment from Malik. We're here at WFC. It's my first time. You're here again. You're here again. What do we got going on?
one, I'm offended because you act like I don't give you compliments. But we're here for the Ryder Herring Memorial Cup.
Yeah.
It is barbed wire. It's nice. It's dangerous. I mean,
Guys, I'm super excited. You guys see the news? Evolve? Cappuccino Jones, CODA brand athlete, is gonna wrestle Wes Lee. Yep, he's on next week.
yeah, I know, right? Yeah. It's the CODA Red James brand. I love it. So what's up?
Hey, how are you doing? Can we help you with something?
Well, you know, guys, I've been seeing y'all on the Tik Tok and the ANC and even on the Facebook, you know.
Yeah, we're on those things.
I've been thinking you guys got a good system going, but you need a star. Come on.
A star.
You see this? He ain't in your group anymore.
Okay.
And I think it's time you spread your wings and fly. You know, I need to fly along with you. Come on, bro.
No.
Guys.
You know what? Hey, can you go around this corner real quick while we talk about it or something?
I just had a really hard couple weeks. My sister got bit by a bird. My doctor, Ira Feelgood, told me there's not a lot he can do for my index toe, and let's just face it, tariffs. Come on, there's a lot of bad things happening.
Okay,
I need something.
No, can you just?
Hey, we hear you. We
Actually, can you just turn around?
I'd like to hear Malik say it.
Me?
Yeah.
We need.
Okay, I just need it from all three.
Yeah, three guys. It's a 4. Let's okay.
We'll be right back.
Let's
take your time.
Oh fuck! Guys, that was so sad. That was really
My sister has
depressing.
bird flu.
What is it? I don't understand. Does that happen?
Yeah, I get.
If I get a little pep talk, good little kiss between bros, it's just how wrestling is.
Index specifically.
Well,
Guys, I think we know the answer, right?
I mean, he does have a cool mask, though. We'll give him
I think
that.
we know the answer, though, right?
Yep.
And you know, I could be the star to lift them up to new heights. You know, Cappuccino left, and they don't got a star. They need this star. Red James isn't here anymore.
Let's let him off easy. Let's let him off easy.
I'll first.
Hey, super.
So it's a no for me.
Hey, it's a no for me too, though. But maybe Mia, though, for sure.
And to think,
Looks like all your
Cappuccino Jones, you did the right thing, but
My point is, you're safe sitting or standing next to this man because he's been through just about everything.
What is it? Put that away. We're celebrating a match.
hey,
Guapo, what the heck was that?
hey, you cheated last time. We had that. You know what I'm saying?
Oh! Hey, I do know what you're saying, and I'm still the champion.
Hey, you couldn't beat me fair and square in a chugging contest, so I want to see if you could beat me fair and square in that ring. I said.
In that ring? One-on-one? Our
one-on-one.
first time ever for
Yeah.
the championship?
Yeah.
The CTC World Championship?
Oh yeah.
You think you
I'll
want some
take
of
that
this?
little puny thing. I've had belts way. I take craps bigger than that belt.
You wish. Hey, you're on.
All right, listen. I'll see you in the ring.
This water makes my pump look good.
Rather.
All right. Anyways, we're about to get this dub. You know how it is. Ryder Cup. I'm excited for you though. First time in it.
First singles match at WFC.
We're gonna make a statement. You know. Hopefully these people like us. It's kind of a problem I have. Not for you, but for me.
Am I more likable than you can?
Let's go do this match.
Fuck you.
No, explain what you want, like, from me.
Oh, okay. Well, he's looking right now. When you're in the ring, tell Beeler I said fuck you.
Somebody go on outside.
Let's go! You ready for this? I know, it looks great. It looks great. I'm really excited about it. So, wow, that's so nice.
You're being nice to me.
I'm a nice guy. I'm a nice guy. You're looking great.
My time.
Yeah.
My moment.
Yes, sir. Whoa! Hey! Whoa! Ref! Ref, get him off!
No, my man.
Hey!
No, my man.
Yes, sir! Ooh! Okay. That is flexible, bro. Who do you think's gonna win?
I hope Malik.
That's what I'm thinking, right?
Yeah,
For sure.
Malik's gotta win.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Oh! Clocked him. Bro, wait a second. I know who you are. Wait. I know who you are. Aren't you? You're Striker's son. You're Striker's son.
I'm mad at Sean.
No, you're Striker's son.
Say that.
No, you're Striker's son.
Shut your mouth.
Bro. That's all. Striker's son. Bro. There we go. There we go. Bro, you're good. Hey, you're good. Come on, Malik, kick out.
1, 2, 3.
Guys, you feeling good?
Bro, how's his knee? You need ice?
I know.
You need Tiger Balm?
I need
You need
icy
some,
hot.
You need some ooh wee? You need some ooh wee?
Yeah, I know.
We got to talk about that at the treehouse.
All right.
What the heck?
All right. You ready, bub?
Yeah, let's get
All right,
going.
come on, let's go.
It's okay, guys.
Let's get
It was a good show.
Hey, you gotta get me on that Evolve stuff. It's going everywhere. Who's that guy Gabe is ballsy? Talk to him.
What?
Hey, I found Cap guys. Where y'all going?
What?
You got the
No, I'm a superstar. I'm just a rock
I'm
star
superstar.
Well, I'm a rock star superstar.
I'm
But
superstar.
Holy cow! I'm just a fan.
I'm super. I thought you shrunk. Hey, I
look,
thought being in Hollywood made you small.
Yeah.